Hi all, welcome to our brand new video by NanoGig Shorts. In today's video, we will discuss on how to increase downloading speed in Google Chrome. Google has introduced a program called Google Chrome Experiments meant to test the limits of JavaScript and the Google Chrome browser's performance and abilities. One of such experiments is parallel downloading. This enables parallel downloading to accelerate download speed in Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android. Steps to activate parallel downloading. Go to Chrome. In the address bar type, chrome://flags. Press Enter. Now search for parallel downloading in search bar. Change the status to Enable and select Relaunch button. It will relaunch the Chrome browser. Now all your files will be downloaded in half time. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like this video, please like and comment. To get more updates from our channel, please select the subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant updates when the new video is uploaded.